John Cannell from Preppy Kitchen here, and today we're making the perfect margarita. But do you like yours regular or spicy? So spicy you don't even know what to do except give me another. I'm so thirsty and hot at the same time. These are both really great, and this is gonna change your life, so let's get started. First off, let's juice a 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice. Never use the bottled stuff, that is sacrilegious. I love a good margarita, so here's the simple version first. We're only using fresh natural ingredients. We're gonna use 40 milliliters of fresh lime juice. See if we can get that in there. Whale. There we go, yeah. That was the tricky part. Everything else is easy now. Okay, let's add a bunch of ice in here. 80 milliliters, or the big part, of a really nice silver tequila. Here you go. 40 milliliters of a simple syrup. You could skip this. You could be very conservative on it, but I think a little bit of extra sweetness is nice. I didn't even fill it all the way up. And now a generous 40 milliliters of a nice orange liqueur. This is Cointreau, one of my favorites. Also love Grand Marnier. I'm not a triple sec fan for margaritas. Nope, thank you. We're gonna give this a set aside because we're setting it aside so that we can rim our glass and everything's all set up and nice. So lime juice, have a plate of salt at the ready. Beautiful, I love giant flakes of sea salt in my margarita. Okay, now we can give it a shake. Okay, adding a nice big ice cube into my glass. And strain that drink in. Nice and easy, let's give it a taste. And by let's, I mean me. That's really nice. It's like adult limeade. If you want a little something extra, like I do, Topo Chico is so good. It's Mexican mineral water, and it is really, really bubbly. So just a nice splash in there. Move that ice cube around, and even better. Oh my gosh, how could this be improved upon? Let me tell you, on to the spicy margarita. To make our spicy simple syrup, we're gonna start off by removing the stems from 8 Thai chilies, cut them vertically, and then cut that jalapeno as well. Remove the stem, chop, chop, chop. Let's add it all into our saucepan along with 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of water. You can scale this recipe up if you wanna make a big batch. This is to make a couple spicy drinks for you and your friends. Place the saucepan over like a medium-high heat, bring it to a boil, and then let it boil for like a minute. Take it off the heat and let it steep. The longer it steeps, the more of that chili flavor is gonna get infused, and I'm actually muddling it up just a bit to really break those chilies in there. I want to have my lips fully puffed up like a Kylie Jenner lip kit. That's the level of spice I'm looking for. My spicy simple syrup has been steeping, that's like a tongue twister by the way, for over 20 minutes now. It is so spicy. Like, flames! It's really good though. It's always interesting with like us, oh my god, it really hits you after a second too. Okay, let's fill our shaker up with ice. This time we're gonna do I'll put it in parts for you because maybe milliliters is a bit confusing or whatever. Anyways, 2 parts tequila, silver, here you go. 1 part of a nice orange liqueur, again, this is Cointreau, delicious. 1 part lime juice, fresh of course, and poured carefully. So proud of myself for not spilling that. All right, and a generous 1 part of the spicy simple syrup. This makes a big difference, so. Will I be paying the price for this? I already don't care. Give it a good shake. Another salted glass and giant ice cube. In you go. And let's pour this drink out. All right, and what about a garnish? Look at this. 1 Thai chili, Slice it carefully. Don't get anything in your eye. Now we're just going to arrange it right there on the glass. How about them apples? Mostly for the sake of garnish, you could add a few pieces of jalapeno as well. Up to you though. Oh my God. You know what? I kind of like them both equally, although I'm more excited about the spicy margarita because I don't make it as often. This is so good. Just label it so no one has a horrible mistake. I'm just gonna warn you ahead of time. You don't want your kids coming in like, ah, I thought it was sugar water. If you like this drink, check out my Paloma. It is tequila and grapefruit juice, a little bit of something extra, and you're gonna love it. No spice, but totally delicious, dangerously smooth. Thanks so much for watching. If you like my videos, hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you soon.